absolutely loving this sprocket change. I really feel that it's enhanced the bike, especially for me and where I ride anyway. You can't beat a bit of bike for breakfast time. I need to do some maintenance to get it ready for its next shreddy. I'm just going to check the spokes are all tight. I've also heard a rattle. I want to lube up the chain, check the tyre pressures, then I'm ready to go. One of my main priorities for this check is I can hear a rattle, and no, it's not. I've heard another noise which I've only just about picked up on when I hear the GoPro footage. I don't hear it when I'm riding, but obviously the chain sounds like it's catching inside the casing somewhere, but that's for another day. I'm not too concerned about that, but I'll have a look at the chain, check it's not damaged. I think I mentioned I could hear a rattle or something. Look. This bit of tinfoil's got a tear in it. Not sure how that was done, but it has had a bit of abuse recently. Possibly get the MIG welder on there, or just get an upgrade. Nothing to report there. It's passed the safety check, it's had a light maintenance, and there's no issues to report apart from that bash plate tear. To be fair though, last time I went out on it, it hardly did any work, so it's made my job really easy today. The plan is then I'm just going to kit up, take my bike to my friend's wood and do some more testing with a 17-tooth front sprocket. Yeah, only one way to do this. Just going to have a little bit of a warm up and loosen off in this place first, and then go to the faster trails next. Like that bit. Do that again, I think. That's fun. Feels really heavy on this lat landing, so I'm only in first gear now. Alright, it's a bit of a warm up on that one. Maybe you should have checked it out before you try this. Whoa, maybe not. That's good. Let's try that hill climb again then. Bit more speed. Nice. Let's go for this one as well now. And do that again. It's a nice little place to warm everything up. I have to turn at the top for that tree, don't you? Ah, you can get along there. No chance. I want to, but I know I'm not capable.
That felt big. Look at this, I got some crazy ass. You gotta get some speed there. Brashy, so if you land funny, well, you're gonna wash out. I really want to try it, but my head says no, my heart says yes. Brake on. First gear job this is. Whoa. I'm eyeing that one up, but there's a bit of an overshoot, so you have to be dead careful. No whiskeying up there. Whoa. Whoa. That's changed a bit, nearly bucked me off. Let's try it again then. That's better. I can safely say I'm warmed up and loosened off now. Let's go to the other one. Whoa, back end out. I hate that. Hit my foot on something there. Where to go. holding the front down. Oh. That was a good few laps then. Consistent in my eyes. For me. Whew. In there, I missed it. Bit brave coming out here with me here. Whoa, where are you going? Where are you going, I don't know. That was a perfect little session, really. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. It was great fun on the pit bike, doing a bit of piking around these wooded areas and a little bit of a quarry, and also the 17 tooth. Well, that's helping me carry speed faster in these smaller areas. As you can tell, I'm sort of between gears, but before that it was a lot more work, and when you're changing gears and all things like that, clutch work, it's just slowing you down really. So I think that gearing's a lot better for what I ride, and I feel a lot faster. Not sure what other people will think. And the hill climbs, it didn't struggle. I've just got no bad words to say about it. That's all I can say. Now all we got to do is get back out of here. Without causing a scene. So then, that only leaves one thing to do. Thanks for getting this far. Hope you enjoyed the upload. MOTO Machines out.